The world of hypercars is a place where engineering dreams become reality, where speed meets art and where innovation pushes the limits of what a car can achieve. A hypercar designed not just to compete with the fastest cars in the world, but to completely redefine what modern automotive engineering can accomplish. Created by the American company Czinger Vehicles, the 21C Max is more than just a high-performance car. It represents a new era of automotive manufacturing powered by artificial intelligence, advanced 3D printing technology, and a radical approach to design. At first glance, the Czinger 21C Max looks like something that belongs on a racetrack in the distant future rather than on today's roads. Its design is aggressive, aerodynamic, and incredibly unique. Unlike traditional hypercars that focus mainly on curves and aesthetics, every line on the 21C Max serves a functional purpose. The shape of the car is engineered to slice through the air with minimal resistance while producing maximum downforce to keep it glued to the road at extreme speeds. The front features sharp aerodynamic channels, while the rear showcases a massive wing designed to stabilize the car when it reaches breathtaking top speeds. One of the most fascinating aspects of the Czinger 21C Max is its seating configuration. This hypercar features a tandem layout similar to the seating arrangement in a fighter jet. The driver sits in the front while the passenger sits directly behind. This unusual configuration improves aerodynamics by reducing the car's frontal area, allowing it to cut through the air more efficiently. It also creates a truly immersive driving experience that feels more like piloting an aircraft than driving a car. Underneath its futuristic body lies one of the most advanced hybrid powertrains ever developed. This extraordinary level of power allows the Czinger 21C Max to achieve performance figures that sound almost unbelievable. The car can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in approximately 1.9 seconds, which places it among the fastest accelerating production cars ever created. The quarter-mile disappears in just over 8 seconds, demonstrating the immense power and traction of its advanced hybrid system. But the true highlight of the VMAX version is its top speed capability. The VMAX name refers to the hypercar's focus on achieving the highest possible top speed. Unlike the track-focused version of the 21C that prioritizes cornering performance, with optimized aerodynamics and reduced drag, the Czinger 21C Max is capable of reaching a staggering top speed of approximately 253 miles per hour, placing it firmly among the fastest cars in the world. What makes the Czinger 21C even more remarkable is the revolutionary manufacturing process used to create it. Instead of relying solely on traditional manufacturing methods, Czinger uses a unique system that combines artificial intelligence, generative design, and 3D printing. Many of the car's structural components are produced using advanced additive manufacturing techniques. This allows engineers to create extremely complex parts that are lighter, stronger, and more efficient than those made with traditional methods. The process begins with artificial intelligence software that analyzes the desired performance and structural requirements of each component. The system then generates a design that uses the least amount of material while maintaining maximum strength. These intricate designs are then brought to life using high-tech 3D printers. The result is a vehicle built with components that look almost organic in shape, resembling structures found in nature such as bones or tree branches, giving the 21C a significant performance advantage. Another standout feature of the Czinger 21C Max is its lightweight carbon fiber chassis. The car's structure is built around a strong yet extremely light carbon fiber monocoque, which provides exceptional rigidity and safety. Combined with the lightweight 3D printed components, this helps keep the overall weight remarkably low for a hybrid hypercar. A lower weight means better acceleration, sharper handling, and improved efficiency. The suspension system of the 21C Max is equally impressive. Designed for high-speed stability, it uses advanced adaptive suspension technology that constantly adjusts to road conditions and driving inputs. This ensures that the car remains stable and controlled even when traveling at speeds exceeding 200 miles per hour. The suspension is paired with powerful carbon ceramic brakes capable of bringing the car to a stop quickly and safely after high-speed runs. Inside the cockpit, the Czinger 21C continues its futuristic theme. The interior is minimalistic yet extremely advanced, focusing entirely on the driver's experience. The steering wheel is packed with controls similar to those found in Formula One cars, allowing the driver to manage different performance settings without taking their hands off the wheel. Digital displays provide real-time information about speed, power output, battery usage, and vehicle dynamics. Despite being a hypercar designed for extreme performance, the 21CV Max does not ignore comfort and craftsmanship. Every detail is carefully crafted to create a luxurious yet race-inspired environment. One of the most exclusive aspects of the Czinger 21C is its rarity. Only a very limited number of units will ever be produced, making it one of the most exclusive hypercars in existence. Each car is built with incredible attention to detail and is tailored to the preferences of its owner. This exclusivity ensures that owning a Czinger 21C is not just about having a fast car, it is about possessing a piece of automotive history. The philosophy behind Czinger Vehicles is also unique in the automotive world. The company was founded with the vision of transforming the way cars are designed and manufactured. Instead of massive factories producing millions of vehicles, Czinger's approach focuses on smaller, highly automated production systems powered by digital technology and robotics. Another interesting aspect of the Czinger 21CV Max is the role of artificial intelligence in its development. AI was used extensively during the design phase to analyze thousands of possibilities and optimize every component for maximum performance. From aerodynamic shapes to structural supports, AI helped engineers create solutions that would have been nearly impossible to design manually. This fusion of advanced technology, engineering excellence, and futuristic design makes the Czinger 21CV Max one of the most innovative hypercars ever created. It is not just a machine built for speed. The car represents a bold step forward in how vehicles are designed, built, and experienced. When compared to other hypercars from legendary manufacturers such as Bugatti, Koenigsegg, and Tennessee, while many hypercars focus on raw power and luxury, Czinger introduces an entirely new approach that combines digital manufacturing, hybrid performance, and cutting-edge materials. The excitement surrounding the Czinger 21CV Max continues to grow as automotive enthusiasts and industry experts recognize its groundbreaking achievements. It is not only a contender for top speed records but also a symbol of the next generation of hypercars. With its combination of extreme performance, advanced technology, and innovative manufacturing, the 21CV Max has firmly secured its place among the most remarkable cars ever built. In the end, the Czinger 21CV Max is more than just a fast car. It is a statement about the future of engineering and the limitless possibilities that emerge when creativity meets technology. It shows that the automotive world is entering a new era where artificial intelligence, additive manufacturing, and bold thinking can produce machines that once existed only in imagination. For car enthusiasts, engineers, and dreamers alike, the Czinger 21CV Max represents the thrill of innovation and the relentless pursuit of speed. It proves that even in a world filled with extraordinary hypercars, there is always room for something revolutionary to arrive and change the game forever.